Perfeito sent me their seasoning pack, the one that I can taste all of these different flavors. They sent this for my review, and boy, did I love cooking with it tonight. I tried the steak one. This one here is the Brazilian chicken, for example. I'm going to show them all to you, obviously, but I did try the Brazilian beef. So all of these are Brazilian seasoning and spices. They have, I mean, and the smell, I mean, I wish you could smell this. It's so different. It's not like I'm used to putting like that Montreal steak spices and seasoning on my steaks. Now this has completely just elevated that taste of the beef, like that beefiness, and just made it different. If you've ever been to a Brazilian steakhouse, you know the type of taste that I'm talking about. I'm going to show you every single one of them. So of course we're starting with the Brazilian beef, which I have tried tonight, as you can see in the B-roll. It was fantastic, by the way. It tastes incredible. Now you do have the Brazilian chicken on this one. Oh, I just want to smell it again. It's almost Caribbean as well. Like, we live in the Caribbean, and I've seen these. It's not jerk chicken. It is Brazilian chicken, and it does have that very particular seasoning, that particular smell and taste. It's fantastic. This one here, the Brazilian all-purpose, fantastic for if you want to season your potatoes, like any type of vegetables. I put this on potatoes and onions. It's absolutely super tasty. This is a great way if you don't want to have anything, if you want to have something that's gluten-free, by the way, and something that is sugar-free, and literally doesn't have any preservatives, you definitely are looking at the right spot right here. Brazilian fish. I do love the look of these containers and the branding. I think it's really, really cool. Super smart. And of course, we would not be complete if we didn't have the Brazilian pork. And this one here is super salty, super nice. And I say super salty, but yes, of course, it is a kind of like a seasoning thing that will elevate, like I said already, the natural flavor of the pork, of the fish, of the chicken, of the beef, and of course, of your vegetable. You can mismatch whatever you choose. I'm just going to try again that. It's got these incredible exotic flavors, exotic smells. You definitely need to try these. They're a must and a hit with the family and our friends.